Join me as I dive deep into the future of LSE stock futures and try to predict where they're headed next. When it comes to the world of financial markets, LSE stock futures play a crucial role. They offer investors a way to participate in the performance of the London Stock Exchange, allowing them to bet on the future value of its underlying stocks. But what makes them so important is their ability to provide a snapshot of market sentiment, giving us a glimpse into what investors think about the overall health of the economy. As we head into the future, it's essential to understand the current landscape of LSE stock futures. Right now, they're facing some significant headwinds. Market volatility has been on the rise, making it challenging for investors to make sense of where the market is headed. The ongoing pandemic, coupled with rising geopolitical tensions, has created an environment of uncertainty, making it difficult for LSE stock futures to find their footing. Another challenge facing LSE stock futures is the shift in global economic power dynamics. The rise of emerging markets has led to a decline in the dominance of traditional stock markets like the LSE. This shift has forced investors to reevaluate their portfolios, leading to a decrease in demand for LSE stock futures. Furthermore, the lingering effects of the Brexit saga have also had a significant impact on investor confidence, causing many to adopt a wait-and-see approach when it comes to LSE stock futures. Despite these challenges, there are some positive trends emerging. Many experts believe that the LSE's diversification efforts, coupled with its strong track record of attracting international investors, will help it navigate the current turmoil. Additionally, the growing popularity of passive investing in ETFs has led to an increase in demand for LSE stock futures as investors seek to gain exposure to the UK market. Recent trends suggest that investors are becoming increasingly risk-averse, opting for safer assets in the face of uncertainty. This has led to a decrease in demand for LSE stock futures, causing prices to drop. However, some experts believe that this trend may be about to reverse, as investors start to take advantage of the lower prices to get back into the market. Many analysts are also keeping a close eye on the UK's inflation rates, which have been on the rise in recent months. If this trend continues, it could lead to higher interest rates, which in turn could boost demand for LSE stock futures. Furthermore, the ongoing efforts to improve the LSE's infrastructure and increase its attractiveness to international investors are also expected to have a positive impact on LSE stock futures. One critical turning point that could reshape the outlook for LSE stock futures is the outcome of the ongoing trade negotiations between the UK and EU. A favorable outcome could lead to a surge in investor confidence, causing prices to rise. On the other hand, a no-deal scenario could lead to a further decline in demand, making it even more challenging for LSE stock futures to recover. However, some experts believe that the LSE's fate is closely tied to the performance of the UK economy. If the economy can navigate the current uncertainty and post strong growth numbers, it could lead to a significant increase in demand for LSE stock futures. Additionally, the ongoing efforts to increase the LSE's appeal to international investors could also pay off, leading to a rise in prices. In terms of predictions, many experts are forecasting a period of increased volatility for LSE stock futures. As investors continue to navigate the uncertainty of the global economy, prices are likely to fluctuate wildly. However, some analysts are more optimistic, believing that the LSE's strong fundamentals will help it weather the storm and emerge stronger in the long run. In conclusion, the future of LSE stock futures is far from certain. While they face many challenges, there are also several factors that could help them recover. As we head into the unknown, one thing is clear: LSE stock futures will continue to play a vital role in the world of financial markets. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to stay up to date with the latest financial insights, be sure to check out our next video.